Yo, what's up, FastLane family? And if you're new here, welcome to the channel where we cut through the noise and get straight to what actually matters on two wheels. Today, we're settling something that a lot of you have been asking about in the comments: Yamaha TW200 versus the Suzuki VanVan200. Two bikes, same game, totally different DNA. Alright, let's talk about what these bikes even are, because a lot of people see these fat tires and think, oh, it's just an aesthetic thing, just some retro-looking toy. Nah, these are legit dual-sport adjacent machines built for people who want to go where the road ends and keep going. Beach runs, gravel trails, mountain back roads, this category is having a serious moment right now in the US, and these two are the kings of the budget adventure segment. First up, the TW200. Yamaha has been making this thing since 1987, almost unchanged. And you know what? That's not a weakness, that's a flex. The TW200 runs a 196cc air-cooled single-cylinder, pushes around 16 horsepower, and weighs in at just 278 pounds wet. It's light, it's stupid simple, and it is basically indestructible. The fat balloon tires, and I mean fat, we're talking 130 millimeters in the front and 180 millimeters in the rear, give you insane traction on loose surfaces. Sand dunes, done. Muddy forest trails, easy. The low seat height at 31 inches makes it super accessible for shorter riders too. And the best part, this bike is so mechanically simple, you can do almost every service yourself in your driveway. For a lot of riders, especially in rural areas, that matters a lot. Now, let's flip it, the Suzuki VanVan200. This is Suzuki's answer to the retro fat tire movement, and bro, it looks clean. The VanVan runs a similar 199cc air-cooled single, but the character is completely different. Where the TW200 is raw and utilitarian, the VanVan feels more polished, more street-friendly. The styling is straight out of the 70s, round headlight, retro fenders, cafe-influenced proportions, and it actually turns heads when you pull up to a coffee shop. It's a little heavier at around 286 pounds, seat height is 30.3 inches, actually slightly lower than the TW, and the power delivery feels a bit smoother on paved roads. The VanVan also has a fuel gauge, which sounds basic, but if you've ever been stranded mid-trail on a TW200 guessing how much gas you have left, you know that's actually a big deal. So here's where it gets real. If you want a pure off-road beast, something that'll handle gnarly terrain, requires zero babying, and still be running strong in 20 years, the TW200 wins. It is the cockroach of motorcycles. But if you spend most of your time on roads and fire roads, you want something that looks cool parked outside a brewery, and you want just a little more modern comfort, the VanVan200 is genuinely the better daily companion. It rides nicer on pavement, it looks incredible, and it'll still handle light off-road without breaking a sweat. Here's my hot take, and drop your opinion in the comments because I know you guys are going to have thoughts. The TW200 is the better motorcycle objectively, but the VanVan200 is the more enjoyable motorcycle for most people's actual riding lives, and that gap matters.